everyone, welcome to in the video. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம அண்ணா யூனிவர்சிட்டி பேட்டர்ன் பேஸ்ட் CPE 343 பைபிங் இன்ஜினியரிங் சப்ஜெக்ட்டுக்கு மோஸ்ட் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் எக்ஸ்பெக்டட் செமஸ்டர் எக்ஸாம் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பார்க்க போகிறோம். இந்த வீடியோவில் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் 16 மார்க் 13 மார்க் அண்ட் 8 மார்க் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் எல்லா 5 யூனிட்ஸ்லையும் கவர் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். இந்த கொஸ்டின் செமஸ்டர் ப்ரிப்பரேஷனுக்கும் யூனிவர்சிட்டி எக்ஸாம்ஸ்க்கும் ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஸோ இப்போ யூனிட் 1ல ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாம். Unit 1, Piping Fundamentals. Important 16 mark questions. Explain classification of pipes, pipe materials, and selection criteria. Explain major and minor losses in pipelines with derivation. Important 13 mark questions. Explain valves and their applications. Explain fluid flow problems in pipes. Important 8 mark questions. Pipe fittings and joints. Types of valves. IPO Unit 2, Piping in Practice, KU Palam. Important 16 mark questions. Explain series and parallel pipe networks with calculations. Explain pipe network analysis methods. Important 13 mark questions. Explain piping for pumps and compressors. Explain flow distribution in pipe systems. Important 8 mark questions. Series pipe network, parallel pipe network. Into Unit Semester Examination Q, most important numerical unit. Next Unit 3, Generic Piping Designs. Important 16 mark questions. Explain piping design procedure with standards and codes. Explain stress analysis and pipe support selection. Important 13 mark questions. Explain material compatibility in piping design. Explain optimum pipe diameter estimation. Important 8 mark questions. Pipe supports, stress analysis. IPO Unit 4, Piping Systems. Important 16 mark questions. Explain steam piping systems with design considerations. Explain refrigeration and industrial gas piping systems. Important 13 mark questions. Explain water and wastewater piping systems. Explain slurry piping systems. Important 8 mark questions. Steam piping, refrigeration piping. Finally, Unit 5, Operation and Maintenance. Important 16 mark questions. Explain inspection and testing techniques in pipelines. Explain common pipeline failures and repair techniques. Important 13 mark questions. Explain corrosion prevention and insulation methods. Explain leak detection techniques. Important 8 mark questions. Pipeline maintenance, cleaning and coating methods. First, Unit 1, Dash Piping Fundamentals. In the unit, numerics mainly were topics: fluid flow problems, major and minor losses, pipe flow calculations, Reynolds number and pressure drop calculations. In the topics, formulas and sums nala practice panunga because exam la repeated ketka chances adhigam. Next, Unit 2, Piping in Practice. In the unit, the most important numerical unit, maximum calculations in the unit lendudan varam. Important topics: series pipe network, parallel pipe network analysis, pump and compressor piping calculations, especially series and parallel pipe numericals, kandapa prepare panunga. Semester exam koromba important. Next, Unit 3, Generic Piping Designs. In the unit law, design-based calculations konjam varum. Important topics: optimum pipe diameter, pipe thickness calculations, stress calculations, pipe support spacing calculations. In the unit, moderate important. Next unit, non-dash piping systems. In the unit, few numerics only varum. Topics include steam piping, refrigeration piping, compressed air systems. Simple calculations than usually kekapanga. Finally, Unit 5, dash operation and maintenance. In the unit, mostly theory-based unit, numerical problems romba rare. Mostly theory questions than expect panalayam. Now, overall important numerical units patha. Unit 2, very important. Unit 1, important. Unit 3, moderate important. Unit 4, few problems only. Unit 5 dash mostly theory only.